Fuel caps prevent fuel evaporation, maintain pressure, improve fuel efficiency, and keep dirt, dust, and contaminants out of the tank. My today's video is about top 5 best fuel caps that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Minimaba Fuel Cap. This gas cap fuel cap replacement is a practical solution for replacing a worn or damaged original cap. Compatible with a wide range of Jeep, Ram, Dodge, and Chrysler models, it offers a direct replacement fit for many vehicles. The cap is made from durable, high-quality materials and is tested before leaving the factory, helping ensure reliable performance and long-lasting use. Installation is simple and requires no complicated tools, making it a convenient DIY replacement option. Checking the part number before ordering helps avoid compatibility issues and saves time and money. It helps maintain proper fuel system sealing and can be a great replacement when your old gas cap is cracked, loose, or no longer functioning properly. With a 12-month worry-free guarantee and responsive customer support, this fuel cap replacement provides extra confidence and value for vehicle owners looking for an affordable and dependable fix. Now our second product is Rovike Gas Fuel Cap. This fuel cap replacement is a reliable and affordable option for replacing a missing, damaged, or worn-out gas cap. Designed to fit a wide range of Ram, Dodge, Chrysler, and Jeep vehicles, it offers compatibility with many popular models. The cap is made from durable premium materials and is rigorously tested before shipping to help ensure quality and dependable performance. Installation is quick and easy with a direct replacement design, making it a convenient choice for vehicle owners who want a simple DIY fix. It helps maintain a secure fuel tank seal and supports proper fuel system operation. Before ordering, checking the part number and vehicle compatibility is recommended to ensure the perfect fit. Overall, this fuel tank filler cap provides good durability, reliable performance, and a cost-effective replacement solution compared to buying an expensive original part. Our third product is Radlnia Fuel Tank Cap. This gas cap replacement is a great option for restoring a secure fuel tank seal on compatible Toyota, Lexus, and Scion vehicles. Designed as a replacement for part numbers 77,300 to 33,070, it provides a proper fit for various models including Scion TC, Toyota 4Runner, Camry, Corolla, Tacoma, Tundra, and Lexus ES, GX, GS, and RX series. The durable construction features a double-layer rubber seal that helps keep the fuel tank properly closed, supports fuel efficiency, and reduces vapor emissions. Installation is simple and straightforward, making it a convenient replacement for an old, damaged, or missing fuel cap. The quality design offers reliable performance and helps maintain proper fuel system function. With helpful customer service and a friendly after-sales policy, this fuel cap replacement provides a dependable and affordable solution for vehicle owners looking for a direct replacement part. Now number 4, Vins Gas Fuel Cap. This gas cap replacement is a reliable choice for restoring a proper fuel tank seal on a wide range of Jeep, Dodge, Ram, and Chrysler vehicles. Designed to replace part numbers 520303777AB, 4578235AB, 520303777AA, and 5278632AE, it offers broad compatibility with many popular models including Wrangler, Grand Cherokee, Ram trucks, Grand Caravan, Charger, Challenger, 300, and more. The direct replacement design makes installation quick and easy without complicated steps. Built for durability, this fuel cap helps maintain a secure fuel system seal and supports proper vehicle performance. It is a practical solution for replacing a lost, cracked, loose, or damaged gas cap while avoiding the higher cost of an original replacement. Before ordering, checking your vehicle model and part number is recommended to ensure the correct fit. Overall, this replacement gas cap provides dependable quality, easy installation, and excellent value for everyday vehicle maintenance. And our last choice is Corm Fuel Tank Cap. This fuel gas cap replacement is a dependable solution for BMW and Mini Cooper owners looking to replace a worn, damaged, or missing fuel cap. Designed to replace OEM part numbers 1611, 722, 2391, 10844, and 31848, it offers compatibility with a wide range of models including various BMW 1 Series, 2 Series, 3 Series, and Mini Cooper vehicles. Made from high-quality durable materials, the cap is built to provide long-lasting performance and a secure fit based on original size specifications. Installation is simple, making it a convenient replacement option without the need for professional help. A properly sealed fuel cap helps maintain the fuel system and supports efficient vehicle operation. Before purchasing, checking your vehicle's year, make, and model compatibility is recommended to ensure the correct fit. With a 12-month after-service support and friendly customer service, this replacement fuel cap offers quality, reliability, and peace of mind for everyday vehicle maintenance. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.